What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. If this is the first time you're here and you want to learn how to deal with math and chemistry questions, start now by subscribing this channel and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. This video I want to show you how to find out how many different ways you can arrange the word marmalade with the vowels in the original order. So we have marmalade, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 letters. So if we don't have this restriction with the vowels in the original order, let's see how many different ways we can arrange it. So we have 9 letters, and which one is repeating? M is repeating twice and A is repeating 3 times. So it's going to be 9 factorial divided by 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial, which is going to be 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 all the way to 1 divided by 2 factorial and 3 factorial. The answer is going to be 362,880, and in the denominator we have 12. So it's going to be 362,880 divided by 12. That's going to be 30,240. That's without any restriction. But here it says vowels must be in original order. So it means that A, and E at the end. We have 4 letters, 4 factorial, and 3 of them is repeating. So it's going to be divided by 3 factorial. So 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial is going to be just 4. So I'm going to have 30,240 divided by 4. The answer will be 7,560 different ways. So 7,560 different ways to arrange marmalade with the vowels in the original order. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video useful, please like it and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description. In case you need extra help, you can just take a look to the description. Thank you for watching and have a great day.